Warm welcome to all of you. Today we are discuss about how to draw a layout system. Okay, for the layout system, the tight, mirror, align command and another command are very important. Today we are draw this layout system in 2D. Okay, after all in next lecture we can systematically draw in 3D. Okay, so now as we know that in AutoCAD we can draw interior designing, another designing, modeling also, rendering effects also, because rendering effect is a very important effect for the civil, because of what happen when we are draw the wall. Okay, we are getting a render that term. So with the help of that rendering effect we can manage the everything. Okay, as we can present that model at proper way. So it is a very important that the render shadow, lighting portion, as this portion we can see at proper distance. Okay, proper direction. Now layers is also important command. Okay, but layers command and all command we can see here. Now as this portion you can see here. Okay, this portion. Okay, this portion is a rendering. Okay, now we are going for the layout system. For that this portion where my computer arrow here, it shows the layer portion. Okay, for construct a layer, click on that bar and click here. Okay, due to this all layer getting turn around, and here lock the layouts, sorry, what layer and another these things. Okay, now I wanted to first we are draw just layout system in a way with the help of only line, circle and another thing. You know what? The specified distance. Okay, what I'm making, what what is the, this command is very important. Okay, makes that door command, door like this, more oblique. Okay, this not like that, it makes. Okay, that's fine. So these all these types of use in to for door format. For window, special rectangle size can use, or this type of rectangle can use straight rectangle. Okay, or rectangle in rectangle, like that. Okay, can manage the doors like that in 3D view. This view all are in 3D. Now I wanted to make a area of a proper area. I make such a type of area, and I take a rectangle in rectangle. Why I'm taking rectangle in rectangle? Because I wanted to make a border line. Okay, so this is total area. Now I want, this is total rectangle, we cannot do anything in this. So here I just draw a line from that portion to at this point. Okay, now what I just tell in my first chapter, I just offset these lines. I wanted to offset of 1. Okay, enter and select an object, specify, and here. Okay, it is more offset is bigger here. I did not want such a type of offset, it is very more. I want to offset of 0.3. Okay, enter and select this object. Okay, now I now this is one of the offset. Okay, now this is total portion, we cannot do anything in it. Now I take a line, proper line, and go for it. It is all. Now again I offset by 0.3. Okay, enter and specify the point. Okay, this all this portion here. Okay, this portion where this line are ahead in 3D diagram, this line get removed because of there is a, it act as a disturbance to create a 3D wall. Okay, now again I take a line command to draw the another portion. Okay, now just I place staircases at another side. This line command, enter, and I want a line command, enter. I take an offset of 0.3. Okay, enter, again I take a line command here. Okay, now I want some staircases here, stairs. Okay, so I just take a stair here, enter. Now I take offset of 0.1, 0.2. Okay, enter. Okay, both हो गया. Now I take a line from this point to this point. Now this makes staircases. Okay, now I wanted to get a open gate here, so I just close this portion. Oh, it is not a proper line. I create a rectangle. Okay, from here. Sorry, undo is a command that we can erase an object. Okay, this one line. I wanted to cut that portion because this portion is for entry. Okay, now I use this trim command used by select on trim command and select enter, cut the portion. Okay, now here some I just tell you first thing that here some things that such a portion is not allowed in a 3D model, so that's why repeat trim, enter, and delete all these objects whatever present in the. Okay, like that. Now this portion you wanted to also delete it, so make a line here. Okay, it is a basic model. Okay, it is not a proper model. Proper model is I will teach you in next lecture. It is just a description how can you plan the total model. Okay, this is basic design. Okay, now I select a trim, enter, and delete these objects. Okay, these are act as a windows, sorry, doors is required to enter in that house. Okay, so this is your proper management to draw a layout system. Okay, now you can adjust the door here, and with the help of you can totally draw a layout system. So thank you watching my tutorial. Bye bye.